Alright, so this presentation is the periodic table as well. I inserted transitions so that everything would run smoothly. I put a colored bubble around the words here so that it would exemplify the words, and there is a picture of the periodic table. On the following slide, it's the images of the periodic table, and I made the image of the periodic table big so that the students can all visually see it. This is a slide on creating compounds as well. There is a picture chart that shows how compounds are made. I used another animation here. And then I put animations on the words so that they would pop out better. These are visualizations of the periodic table. And then the final slide just has the last picture of what the compounds turn into when they are turned into mixtures.